Ooh. Alright, I think we're back to a little bit of climbing. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, little climb right here. All right, we're on a 140 connector. There's a split off to the right here to go to 158. It's gonna get us over to Bad Motor Scooter. All right, here we go, that tabletop into Bad Motor Scooter. Good amount of stuff on Bad Motor Scooter I don't hit as well. Just some sketchy doubles. Oh boy, not enough speed. Not bad, all right. Right away there's a double that I don't like. Ah, look at that thing. I can totally do it. Got those two. This one's sketchy as well. They just have big lips. That one's less sketchy. I should do that one next time. Alright. Sketchy. Big one. Especially when it's wet like this. Man, you guys are crazy. Totally botched that. Gross. Ooh, wet in here. Woo! should have fucking done it. I had the speed. Oh, skidded out. This is all chunky now. Looks like it got torn up from the rain. Fuck, dude, I hate that kicker. Oh, almost too high on that berm. So nice when you hit a good jump. Oh, that was not a good jump. Yeah, that's it, huh? It always feels longer. It. At least I tried. Got a crazy ass step up over here to the left. Got two trails down here. Lower Grand Prix, Baby Grand Prix. We're gonna take Baby Grand Prix to the right. All right, here we go. Across the road, sharp right through a puddle. Almost clipped a tree. And there's this. Ooh, a little chunky. Ooh, oh. Oh, that soft stuff. And we're back. Hi. All right, just came out the end of Grand Prix here. Gonna head on to Lower Grand Prix, which is down here to the left. We'll take Lower Grand Prix into Cleeway. And that's going to be the end of the downhill. See how it is. I haven't ridden Cleeway yet. Ooh, sharp turn. Another sharp one. God damn. Oh, is that? Uh-oh. That's not good. Fucking A, dude. Alright, so I just came out the bottom of Lower Grand Prix. I think I'm on 101 Spaghetti Factory now. At the end of Grand Prix, you come into this big ass hill you have to climb. And then I think it's just on this for a little bit to get your way to Cleeway. Alright, just came to this trail split. You stay to the right. It's marked 101. It's a one-way, multi-use trail. I was gonna take it easy. Getting slapped in the face by all kinds of stuff. Alright, so I think we're on it. 101 Cleveland. Thought there was a sign somewhere. Yeah, here it is. Stay to the left. Oh. Alright, we're still good. 101 Cleeway. A little dusty out here today. Stuff gets a lot of sun. Those are big. Whee! Damn. Whoa, 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 shit. I thought the trail went right there. It was on the edge of that big hill. That was scary. Whoa, big ass bird. Fucking cool, man. falls today. Don't ever like that. Alright, I think we're about to the bottom, yeah. Alright, so this is the bottom of Cleeway. We're gonna take a right here over this wood bridge. Not the log crossing, wood bridge. This is the Stevens Stream 100. I think that's what it was called. This is our ride back up to the Family Man parking lot. So the rest of the ride's just climbing. Here we go.